Ashley, and today we are doing an unboxing and a range review. I have not done a range review in like forever. They're one of my favorite things to do. So I'm super excited for this. All right, so what I have is, I believe, all natural laundry care products. Okay, so what intrigues me about this, and I talk about this on my channel a lot, is like our obsession with plastic, like things that are just man-made materials that do not break down, that are also not recyclable. So glass is still being recycled. So I talk about a lot of all natural skincare on my channel, and you'll notice it comes in either glass or ocean plastic. I have sneakers that are ocean plastic. Plastic is, so what they used to do is, we think of like, oh, it goes to the recycling plant and then they break it down and they reuse it. That's not how it works. Plastic is actually, was being sold to companies across the ocean, and they would repurpose it, right? However, they're not doing that anymore. So the plastic is literally just getting dumped in the landfill. Plastic in a landfill, basically, paper will break down. Like we have this like idea that like paper towels and those things, like they're so bad, right? Like they add more stuff. There's no lie to that. Like they do, but they break down. And for the most part, unless there's dyes in them, they're just paper that breaks down into the ground, in my opinion. Plastic takes literally thousands of years, and there are so many chemicals in them that are leached into the soil. And now you and I are not eating off of the landfill soil, but people in hundreds of years definitely will be. And so like, I feel like it's our part to make sure that whatever is there in the future, we've done our due diligence, you know? There's my spiel. So without further ado, these are from Cleanomic, who makes products called Earthwash, and they have a whole other line of products, like hand soap. Like you can refill your hand soap, which is really cool because that is like #1 plastic bottle central. Laundry detergent, all sorts of laundry products, which is, I believe, what's in here. They also have like compostable Ziploc bags, which I think are really cool, because like Ziploc bags, saran wrap, all that stuff that we're kind of dependent on. Like we're at a point in like our like life where we use that all the time. Anyway, so without further ado, let's open it up. All right, so first up we have the Cleanomic Earthfresh compostable dryer sheets. There's 80 in here, and these are fragrance free. So I'm gonna insert a price right here, and then we're gonna review all of these products at the end of the video, because right now we're just gonna do the unboxing. So these are unscented dryer sheets. They do have a dryer ball kit. I do use dryer balls, and then what I do, if I want some seasonal scents, I'll add just a little tiny drop, don't use more than a tiny drop, of essential oil, and that makes them smell good. And I did one time, I was like, ooh, I really want to pump up the smell, and I put oil on there, and my daughter's jeans got a big oil stain. She's like, Mom, what happened to my jeans? And I was like, oops. It can happen. Anyway, moving on. All right, so then we have the Cleanomic Earthwash eco-friendly detergent sheets. This is something I found out about a while ago, and I love. By the way, these are in the Smell Ocean Breeze, and it is, oh, so nice. There's 32 of these in here, so you have 32 loads in this box. This is a box. It's not a big, think about this. First of all, it's a space saver, okay? Let's first cover that. But second of all, no plastic. So you're not relying on plastic to wash your laundry, which I think is really, really cool. What was I gonna say? I felt like I was gonna say something, but maybe not. But yeah, I found out about these a while ago, and I love the idea. I just thought it was awesome. So you can do all your laundry this way. You can wash it and dry it. All right. Then we have, this is the Naima Oxy Laundry Booster Tablets, Optimal Fabric Brightener for Colors. 1 tab per load. There are 25 in here. So let's open this up and see. So, oh look, they're like little individual like candies. I better hide these from my kids. I'm not gonna lie. All right. No, I'm just kidding. They can all read. All right. Anyway, so then we have the One Home, better box for you, better for the planet. I mean, that's like the whole premise of the company is like one home, like this is our Earth. Let's take care of it. Let's do a good job. I love that personally. I think that's great. This is the Earthlovers Stain Removal Kit. And it's unscented. I want to open this up because it has like a cool little box because you're going to be obviously it's a place to store it and you're going to use it more than once, not single use. Okay, homie, what's going on here? I have a scissors somewhere, but I think I can do it without my scissors. There we go. All right, so there's a little instructions. Here's a stain bar. What is it made with? So it says for pre-soaking, spot treating, and hand washing of stubborn stains. It has saponified coconut oil, vegetable oil, water, sugar, borax, glycerin, zeolite, and sorbitol. So there's that. It does have an expiration as well, but I have till 2024. So I think I'll figure it out. And then it comes with this cool little natural bristle brush, so you can. I actually kind of love this idea. I've used bars similar to this before from other brands, not this brand, but they did not come with a brush. So you kind of have to like take the fabric and rub it into itself. Or if I was smart, I would have found like an old toothbrush or something. However, you know, your girl's not the brightest. So I have one of these now. That's awesome. So now we're going to go into the review portion of this video. Hey guys, it's Ashley. It's been about a week since I made the video for all of the Earthwash items, which are right here with me. I brought them back. So after using them, I love them. I'm just gonna say that right off the bat, they all get a good review. There was nothing that I didn't like. I'm just looking at my blanket here and one of my kids cut it up. Anyway, things I see in my house. All right, so we're just gonna go through product by product, and then I'll insert some videos and pictures that I took of the items so that you guys can kind of get a better idea of the capabilities of all of the products. So first of all, we have the Oxy Laundry Booster Tablets. I'm gonna do a video and picture here where basically you just drop these in the bottom of the tub, the drum, I guess is the word for your laundry machine. And these really do work. As you can see here, I'm wearing red buffalo check. We did like family Christmas card pictures, and when I washed everything afterwards, so my cat's like, if I close my bedroom door and they hear me in here talking, they're like, oh, we're gonna scratch the floor until you let us in. So anyway, so everything came out looking really good, actually better than before it was in there. So these work. I love them. These, oh, as my kids would go, I love these. I love that they come in this little cool bag, takes up very little space. They smell good. There's no trash to speak of. I think it's great. This kit is my favorite. So we'll do the dryer sheets are great as well. You know what I mean? They work very well. They're a dryer sheet. They do a great job at doing what they do. But this is my favorite thing. Oh my gosh, I love this. This brush is amazing. So I purposefully got tomato paste on a dish towel. And look, you want to say hi? Yeah. So let me find the spot. I did look. Okay, so I'm gonna insert some pictures for you guys so you can see. Right here is the spot that I cleaned. That you can see a very tiny. I let it sit on there, like it was on there for a few days. Like this was not like a fresh. So there's the spot that I got with the brush, and then I left a little spot so you guys could see what it was like without, and that is right here. You see? It's hard to show you because I'm using my other hand, but yeah, it works. It's good stuff. But this brush is a game changer, and I love it. It's just this. You can use this on everything. It really gets in. Like you could use this on fabric. I kind of love that about it. I mean, I know I use, like, I tell you guys, oh, I use an old toothbrush, but this is really, this is something. So anyway, I'm going to link down below to all the products that I've talked about in this video. I love all of them. They all come with my seal of approval. I really do think they're amazing. And I thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. Henry and I are. Aren't we, Henry? Henry, go. Ah. Bye, guys. See you.